Hey guys, here today with the VIVOSUN. This is the foldable lounger, and this thing is awesome. We have used it so much. You can tell by the condition of it. It's just dirty. We've been actually using this thing, eating on it. Kids always love to sit on this. Just a quick overview. So it's full, like 2 full seats. So you can see like this is 1, 2 seats, but really you could probably even put 3 if you put a kid in the middle. But a lot of these are small, and so that seat right there will be like way less narrow than this. But this is like a full, you can see like our chairs over there, that is like the same size as that side, okay? And then you've got a full other seat over there. So plenty of room for 2 adults to sit here, I guess is my point. And that's kind of what mattered to us. I want to be able to sit there with my wife and chill. So you got 2 cup holders, awesome. Love that they have the mesh bottom, just in case you spill or whatever stuff gets in there, it can get out. Same thing over here. You can see that there's the mesh there. And then really the big kicker here, and I'll kind of try to zoom you guys out, but that it folds up super duper easy. So literally, I'm gonna grab it here, I'm gonna grab it here, and I'm going to just fold to the middle. I'll set it here so I can walk away, balance it there, and now you can see that folded up almost the same size as a regular collapsible chair. So VIVOSUN, the portable foldable lounger, absolutely love this thing.